Another important assistant when cooking is a multifunction timer. There are 4 timer options to choose from in the Gaggenau oven, which can be activated by touching the clock symbol in the top left corner. The timer option can be used independently of oven operation. It provides an alert when the cooking time has elapsed, but does not turn the oven off. The stopwatch option can also be used independently and is useful for determining the exact cooking time of a new recipe. When the oven is engaged, additional timing options include cooking time and cooking time end. A cooking time from 1 minute to 24 hours can be set. When the cooking time has elapsed, the oven will turn off automatically. Cooking time end is a convenient option to ensure meals are ready at a later time. First, the heating mode is selected and the cooking duration is entered. Then, the end of cooking time is programmed. Food suitable for this function is placed in the oven and is cooked according to the settings provided.